Namaskar. Welcome to another episode of Editorial. Our Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman says, you see, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh is not convicted. So what is wrong if his son is given ticket? Acha. So let's talk about what is wrong if his son is given ticket. Let's get right into the show. So Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman says that there has been nothing proven against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh yet. He is not convicted or anything. If he was, you would have questioned our decision, said the Finance Minister. She says, how many people are there whose fathers, mothers, uncles have been accused of serious crimes? But they have got tickets. All parties do it. Even children of people who have been convicted get tickets. And here, nothing is proven against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh yet. If it was, you could have asked us why. How can we decide on our own that he is doshi, that is guilty? How can we decide on our own? Okay, this is what our Finance Minister thinks. Now, let us ask some basic questions to our Honorable Finance Minister. Honorable Finance Minister, your government sacked Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh as the Chief of Wrestling Federation of India, WFI. Why? You were not convicted, no? Why did you all sack him? You all should have said nothing doing. He is not convicted. He will sit there. Correct, no? There, you found him doshi. Here, you don't find him doshi. There, you found him doshi on your own. Here, you don't find him doshi on your own. Problem, no? Okay. Question number 1. Question number 2. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh is not convicted. And you on your own cannot find him doshi. So why didn't you give him ticket? Why was his son given a ticket? Is his son experienced? Is his son a senior Bharatiya Janata Party leader? Was his son even involved in politics? Bharatiya Janata Party politics? Was his son involved? So why not give Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh a ticket? At least you would have been straight and given and said, "Theek hai yaar, we promote. Chalega. If he is convicted, if he is accused and all that. If he is accused of sexual crime, chalega. Convicted nahi hai na. So give him. You could have given him the ticket. Why didn't you give him the ticket? So, madam, there you found him doshi. And otherwise, you cannot find him doshi on your own. Point number 2. Point number 3. Point number 3, Madam Finance Minister says, there are parties whose fathers, mothers, uncles have been seriously accused of serious crimes. So other parties are giving, we will also give, Baba. Other parties are giving, we will give. Very clear, very true. So other parties are taking a lot of bribes, so are yours. Correct? Other parties are doing crime against a lot of people, so will yours. Other parties do not follow any principle, so will yours. So basically, the concept of you being a party with a difference and with conscience and with Hindutva and with that and this and all that, all goes down the drain. When it comes to standing for election, Baba. Election other parties are doing, I will also do it. So other parties are doing wrong, I will also do it. That justifies my doing wrong. Is that what you are saying, Finance Minister? Is that what your essential argument is? Which is what you actually said as iskya. That is what you said. So that's okay. So when it comes to WFI, you said that he will not be able to stand. He was sacked. When it came to him standing again in WFI, you said he cannot stand. But when it came to election, you didn't give him the ticket. You said he cannot stand, but you gave his son a ticket. And you are justifying it because others are doing it. So hum kai ko nahi karega. Others are doing it. Okay. Now that's one set of questions, Finance Minister. The second set of questions I want to ask you is, then what is wrong with Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, or whichever Gandhi who wants to stand for election? Why do you call them Shehzada and, why do you keep names? Even the Prime Minister calls them Shehzada and all that. I'm sure he remembers Rahul Gandhi's name. Why do you do that? Because end of the day, you are equally dynasty. Kaiserganj has only one family, only one BJP family who can stand for election. No other people, no other workers, no other BJP leaders in Kaiserganj. Only one family who can stand for election. So father not convicted, accused of sexual offense. So son given ticket. Is that how it works in your party? So how do you have, what right do you have to call other party dynasty? So Uddhav Thackeray giving an Aditya Thackeray or a Sonia Gandhi giving a Rahul Gandhi is as good as a Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh giving his son a ticket. What is wrong? What is wrong? And how is your party a party with the difference? Now, madam, one more thing I want to get to your notice is when it comes to Ravanna, who is not part of your party, but it is an alliance in South, when it comes to Ravanna, there everything changes. Mind you, Ravanna even today is accused. He is not convicted. But what you say is, Home Minister Amit Shah has already said that the BJP will support any action that needed to be taken. But all this happened in the state-run Congress. They knew of the situation and they were in possession of the pen drive since a year, but they kept quiet, choosing to reveal all of this before the election. So they are playing games and not taking up any cause for women's safety. Acha, there it is all Congress's fault. There Congress is not taking up women's safety. Here, those wrestlers were on the streets. Okay, and they risk their entire careers. They risk their glorious careers to fight for justice. And the person who was accused, his son, was given a ticket. Now it is up to the people of Kaiserganj to decide whether they will want such a member of parliament representing them. The point that I want to make is, for people who must have commented or who must be saying that, so what if the son is given the ticket? You see, the son given the ticket means the father won the war. That's what the indication is. After all that protest, after everything those girls went by, Bharatiya Janata Party backed the Brij Bhushan Sharan family and gave the son a ticket. Had the son stood independent, he had the right, he is an Indian citizen. Nobody would have questioned. But when Bharatiya Janata Party backs the son, then Bharatiya Janata Party says, kuch bhi ho, seat apna hona chahiye. Because she says till now he is not convicted. So tomorrow, assuming, which chances by the looks of the way things are, looks very bleak, but tomorrow, assuming Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh gets convicted, will his son be recalled? Will his son be sacked by BJP? Will BJP say, no, you cannot be an MP? Then BJP will say, अरे बाप ने किया है, बेटा का क्या है, दोष है उसके अंदर. Number one. Number two, do you think if the son is a sitting MP, he will not influence? He will not influence the case? He will not influence his father's investigation? Do you think it's possible? You are not letting Arvind Kejriwal come out. You are not letting Sisodia come out, which I'll come to. That's my topic number 2. You are not letting them come out because they will come out and influence the case. Here, will Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh and his son won't influence the case? By making that family still in the power circle, aren't you assuring that there's a huge possibility that they will influence the case? Isn't the Bharatiya Janata Party doing it? How fair is that? Okay, that's my topic number 1. My topic number 2 is short and fast. You see, there is a gangster called Anand Kumar, gangster turned politician called Anand Kumar. He is put behind bars for 10 years, under UAPA. UAPA, Unlawful Activity Prevention Act. He is put under UAPA, which is a very stringent law. 10 years behind bars. JDU, Janata Dal United candidate. Nitish Kumar's candidate. Now, he is released for 15 days on parole. Because his coming out is important. Important for the election. Election happening. No. So, Anand Kumar gets bail. A person who has been put behind bars for 10 years, convicted, not accused, convicted, put behind bars for 10 years under UAPA is given a parole just on the eve of the election. ठीक है ना? Okay. Now, today we understand that K. Kavita Delhi Rouse Avenue Court on Monday, that is today, rejected bail plea of BRS leader K. Kavita in the case registered by the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Enforcement Directorate. Okay, this is the bail has been rejected. So K. Kavita cannot come out and stand by her father and fight for her party. She cannot. Okay, Manish Sisodia denied bail for the second time in excise case. This is on April 30th. Delhi court rejected the bail application of former Deputy Chief Minister. Gone, is rejected, which means Sisodia will not be able to come out and fight for his party. That is the status of Sisodia. Now, Arvind Kejriwal may be considered for an interim bail. That may happen tomorrow. The Supreme Court may consider him. If he gets bail, grace of God. If it doesn't get bail, Arvind Kejriwal will not be able to come out and fight for his particular political party. Jharkhand's Chief Minister, former Jharkhand's Chief Minister, my apologies, Hemant Soren moves to Supreme Court after High Court rejects his bail. This is on 6th of May. High Court rejects his bail, he goes to Supreme Court. Now he will plea in front of Supreme Court. Anand Singh, Janata Dal United Nitish Kumar, NDA candidate, UAPA convict, gets 15 days bail, 15 days parole, 15 days parole. But all these people not convicted, accused, just accused. No bail. They cannot fight for their political party. They cannot campaign for their political party. I am not saying anything. You figure out what you want to figure out of the news that I gave you. I am saying nothing. This is law, and I am sure every law has a reason. Every judge must be having a reason for not giving bail. But the point is you figure out. You know, it is very important in a democracy that we curb corruption. It is very important in a democracy that we curb black money. It is very important in a democracy that we curb, public representatives who are behaving, who are corrupt, who are amassing money to be booked and to be brought behind bars. But when that becomes a tool for the ruling party to ensure that they finish off opposition and they almost obliterate the opposition, and the ruling party can come out victorious without having opposition, without opposition even having a chance to campaign for themselves, go in front of you people who are supposed to be the Lord and Almighty of a democracy, to come in front of you people and ask for votes when they are not given an opportunity, then this entire business of fighting corruption and all turns into using these laws against the opposition so that the ruling political party, the ruling dispensation can stay in power. And as they say, stay in power by hook or by crook. This is the point I wanted to make today. You decide what is right and what is wrong as usual. And till I see you next time. Before I go, please subscribe to our channel. Please like if you like this editorial, please subscribe to the channel so that more and more people can get it. And like I said, this time around, we want to touch 2 million now. So please do subscribe to our channel. And till I see you next time. That's tomorrow at 10. Namaskar.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.